guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe for peanut oatmeal porridge. This is a special request from my friend Candy, so let's get into it. Here I have some unsalted peanuts and some oatmeal. I'll be using evaporated milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, and some sweetened condensed milk. So to a pot, you want to add 2 cups of water. I will add a cinnamon stick and a few cloves. Allow them to boil for about 5 minutes. And then you want to prep your peanuts and oatmeal. I have them in a blender. To the blender, I will add some milk and we will, puree it to a nice smooth consistency. If you like it chunky, you can do it chunky. But this is the texture that I was looking for. So next you want to remove the cinnamon stick. You can leave the cloves in there because they're small. And you want to go in with that peanut and oatmeal puree. You want to stir consistently to prevent it from sticking or burning at the bottom. It will thicken up. Once it thickens, that's when you'll go in with your evaporated milk to thin it out a bit. Then we'll allow it to simmer on low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 8 or 10 minutes, you want to add your sweeteners as well as the flavors. So we'll go in with the sugar. If you want to just use sugar, you can do that. If you want to just use condensed milk, you can do that. Just do it to suit your own preference. You could also add less or more if you like. I like my porridge a bit sweet, so that's why I went in with both sugar and sweetened condensed milk. Lastly, you want to add your vanilla extract, your cinnamon and nutmeg. And that's it, guys. Once that is stirred in nicely and everything is well combined, you can turn your heat off and serve it up. And here you have it, peanut oatmeal porridge. I did garnish with some crushed peanuts and oatmeal just for texture, and it was amazing. I don't know if anybody else like to do this, but back in Guyana, I used to like to add powdered milk to my porridge. And when it clumped up, it was so delicious. I still like doing it till this day. So that's what I did. Added my powdered milk and I enjoyed this. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave all the ingredients down in my description box and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.